Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy S23 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can change font style on this device. First of all, go into Settings. Now you need to scroll down, click on Display section, and scroll down again. From here, click on Font Size and Style, go into Font Style, and tap on the best one for you, in my case Gothic Bold. If you wish to try something else, go into Font Style again, but this time select Download Fonts. Now click on one of those icons next to the best one for you, or just tap on it and select Install. Now you can apply it right away by choosing Apply at the bottom right corner, or just go back and select it from this list. If you wish to delete one of your downloaded fonts, go into Font Styles, click on Download Fonts, and click on this icon next to Show Installed Apps. Finally, tap on the one that you wish to get rid of, choose Uninstall at the bottom left corner, and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!